Shalagna. Today we have Sukanya Patil with us. Hi Sukanya, a warm welcome to you.
Thank you, Shalagna.
So Sukanya, please tell us a little about yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Sukanya. I graduated from IIT Bombay in 2016 with degree in electrical engineering. And during my stay at IIT Bombay, I was awarded Institute Gold Medal for the excellence in academics, and I was department topper of electrical engineering department. And after graduating from IIT Bombay, I'm working with WorldCon India as a vice president lead.
That's really nice. So where exactly are you from?
I come from a very small town named Jalgaon in Maharashtra.
What are the challenges the students face who come from small towns when they come to IIT Bombay?
Yeah, so actually, when you come from a small town and directly go to IIT Bombay, it's completely a different world. You've never seen so many events actually happening around you. So there are a lot of activities and opportunities available inside the NC. So in the first week itself, you will see like every day there is like a different orientation, cultural orientation, tech fest orientation, Mood Indigo, and something or the other thing is happening inside NC. And when you come from such background, it feels like quite overwhelming. Like the challenge is that you may want to like participate in all the activities happening inside IIT Bombay, and sometimes there is also that fear of missing out kind of factor. Like you see that the other wingy is participating in that event, he is doing these many activities, and you due to that fact you try to like feel that why am I not doing that activities, I should also go to this orientation, I should also do these activities. So that was the basic challenge that I faced. Like basically choose 2 to 3 different activities that you are really passionate about and try to excel in them. It's not possible to juggle between hundreds of activities. So in my case, it was majorly academics. Sports was also an integral part of my life at IIT Bombay.
Precisely what I want to ask you is, when a student comes from a small town and he goes through FOMO or little that person is feeling little underconfident, and how a person works on themselves.
The first thing that happens when you come from small town is generally the language barrier. So basically I also studied till my 10th standard in Marathi medium. So it was a bit difficult for me also. I could read and comprehend English pretty well, but when I used to speak, I used to feel underconfident, and it used to reflect automatically. But I feel that it is going to happen naturally because you are coming from different background, and suddenly you are exposed to these many factors. So it is natural, and accept that. It's not like that you have to feel that you are not good or you are not good at something. This is not how you should interpret it. This fear of anxiety or like fear of missing out comes when you try to compare yourself with others. And a lot of times this happens in the NCT because you will be seeing few people excelling at some things, and you will just constantly question yourself, like why I'm not doing that, or why I'm not at par with somebody else, or who is your friend. So I think this creates a lot of anxiety among students. So the first thing that you need to understand is every individual who comes to NCT has their own strengths, and you need to capitalize on those strengths. So in my case, what I used to do is I used to decide that these are the like say I want to learn coding, or I want to learn say skating. I used to decide that these are my targets for this particular semester or this particular year, and I used to like dedicatedly give time or consciously put some efforts towards that learning that particular skill. And like it automatically over the years you will realize that you have learned so many different things. Consciously just come out of your comfort zone and like give dedicated time to these activities, work on these activities, and you will slowly you will realize that I have gained this skill, and it improves your confidence, and it's like again a positive feedback loop, and so eventually you will feel that you have learned a lot of things.